Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time seeing this face, hi, my name is Apurva. I make beauty and lifestyle content over here. So please take a moment, also subscribe to my channel and please show all your love. Also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will link my Instagram handle down below. Also look at my new haircut. Let me know how does it look on me. In this video I will be sharing my weekly night skincare routine which I do on weekly basis, because this night skincare process is so calming, so relaxing, and I do mostly on Saturdays or Sundays. So today is Saturday and this is perfect time to shoot. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So very first thing, I will change into my PJs. This is no brainer. Okay, so I have changed into my PJs and now we will start with night skincare routine. Okay, so let me just put on hairband so that my hair can stay away. As you can see, I have full face of makeup on, so the very first and the basic thing is to remove all the makeup. So for that I will be using the Garnier Micellar water which has oil infused in it, and I will pour some on cotton pads. As you can see, my face is so clean. So the next step I follow is to double cleanse. I always double cleanse no matter what. Without double cleanse, I never go to the bed. So I will be using this Simple Micellar Gel Face Wash. This is very gentle on the skin. It doesn't strip off the moisture and it will make your skin feel super soft. So going in with the face wash, it doesn't sting your eyes. Also, this is so gentle on the skin. As you can see, my face is so squishy clean. Now here everything changes in the weekly skincare routine. So in the weekly skincare routine, I will be using AHA, BHA and PHA face peel. So I use this weekly and this is so good. If you are a beginner, then please do not use this AHA, BHA and PHA because it has high concentration of acids. This chemical peel is not the beginner friendly because it has high concentration of acid and it contains 32% of acid, which is not recommended for a beginner. But if you are a beginner and looking for the chemical peel and chemical exfoliate, you can start with 15% AHA and BHA. Also, if you want, I can link some products in the description box. This works so magical on my skin. I have super dry skin. It removes all my blackhead and whitehead, all the gunk which has been collected over the week. So it's so nice. Also with this chemical peel, you have to wash your face with the lukewarm water, and in winters the lukewarm water is so relaxing. Washing your face with the lukewarm water, oh my god, the best thing ever. I have been using this peel from past 2.5 months and oh my god, I'm so obsessed over this. Also, I will be keeping this peel for around 10 minutes and will be right back. My face is so soft like a baby's butt and I cannot feel any bumpiness on the nose and the chin and forehead. If I feel any bumpiness left on the nose and chin area, so I will go ahead with the blackhead remover and just run through it. And as of now, I don't feel any bumpiness. I will go ahead with this Foxtail Purple Clay Mask. This is so good and it doesn't dry up my skin, although clay mask is not meant to be for dry skin type people and I'm super dry skin, but but it doesn't dry up my skin. And as you can see how much I have already used it and I love this so much. And I will just apply a thin layer all over my face like so. I'm using this silicone brush. It also comes with this spatula and I doesn't like this spatula. It take a lot of time to spread the product on the face. So rather I will go with this silicone brush. With clay mask, do not apply a very thin layer and do not apply thick layer. Just use this in the moderate and like so. Also for my nose area, I will just use my finger. And using the finger is so convenient for the smaller sections. Also, this clay mask has Brazilian purple clay, Cleorin clay, and the lactic acid. Also, for this clay mask, you have to put it on for 10 to 15 minutes and wash off with the lukewarm water. It has been written in the instruction. I hope the camera is picking up. After 10 to 15 minutes, I will just wash it off with the lukewarm water. Also, when you apply this clay mask, you will feel a burst of cooling sensation on your face, which is so relaxing. Also, in the meantime, I will apply the lip scrub and will scrub my lip. Also, this lip scrub is so hydrating. ah this is ah ah this is this is from Dot and Key. Now my face is so clean. Let me just zoom you in and show. So when I use all the chemical on the skin, so I will just make sure to hydrate my skin really well. So I will be using this Cosrx Snail Mucin. I will just take 2 to 3 pumps and just tap it on my skin. So my face is fully moisturized and it doesn't irritate my skin because I have used chemical peel, and also this face pack has lactic acid. So I will just give my skin a good amount of breathing time and now see that glow after all the hydration. So to lock in all the hydration, I will be using this Bioderma Atom. And on this day, I will be skipping on all the retinols and all because I have used all the chemical on the face. See, my face is super moisturized and look at that glow. And last but not the least, you have to use a good amount of lip sleeping mask. I am using this from Laneige. This is so good lip sleeping mask. Like Laneige make the best lip sleeping mask ever. So guys, that was it for my weekly skincare routine, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next Friday. Also, if you guys want to see my daily night skincare routine, do let me know. I will make shorts on this or maybe Instagram reel. So please do follow on my Instagram. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.